Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So I'm watching TV and I started thinking about phone cases. So I was like, I wonder if Five Below has phone cases on their website. So right now I'm showing you all the phone cases that Five Below has. And it looks like they have some new ones. So I'm going to be headed back to Five Below store soon to check them out to see if they have the new ones in my Five Below store. So I really like the ones, I think I said in a previous video, I like ones that are clear with a print on them so that you could see the color of your phone case through them. I really like that pink one too. But a lot of the phone cases are $5.55 and they used to be just $5. So I have the iPhone 11 and I have a lot of videos on shopping for my iPhone 11 cases. So right now I only have one case and it's a cactus print that I got at Target. So I am looking for more cases because my iPhone 8 Plus cases do not fit my iPhone 11 cases. But what I was saying was they have a lot that are clear so the color of your phone can show through, because a lot of people want to have the color of their phone show through these days because the colors of the phones are so cute. This floral one is so pretty. You know, it's January now, but we have to start looking ahead towards spring. And you want your phone case to be like spring-like, so they have a lot of floral to choose from. Love the polka dot one. It's the Candy Couture collection. They have a lot of super cute ones, and they're really good quality. And then these are kind of bendable, but I don't really like that kind. So let me know your favorites in the comments. I'm going to be headed to Five Below soon, so there'll be more iPhone 11 phone case shopping videos. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.